Hi, I'm Bob with Wolfe Ridge. Guys, today we just got done loading the trailers for the New York State Woodsmen Field Days this coming weekend in Boonville, New York. This is going to be a short video today, but I want to show you what we will have in our booth, show you all the machines that you can come see if you choose to come to that show and pay us a visit. The first truck is parked further back here, so I'm going to walk past some of these vertical frames that are getting ready to go in for assembly. See some of our returnable crates here. Before I get to the truck, there are 3 units here that are going on a separate load. Separate hotshot is going to be bringing these. These 2 are headed to Boonville. They're both sold, but they will still be there. We have a Pro X that is available on the other trailer. This 17 VS is headed to Indiana for Mr. Jacob King. And cool story about Jacob, he helped us at the Hoosier Firewood Hysteria. Most of you guys know that was kind of a monsoon. Everything turned into mud there. And on the day of the event was also the last day of the event, and we went to leave and we couldn't get out. His skid steer was sinking into the mud up to the frame, so he came back the next day to help us load up. And not too long after that, he called me to place an order for this 17 VS. This is our dark sapphire blue color, standard color. He opted to get the 24-inch stroke, so this is a little bit taller here. We got 24 inches between here and here. And he also got the optional kick-out stop plate. And now, if you order these from the factory, it will come bolted in here. And if you choose, you can drill holes in the tabletop to put carriage bolts here, but we're finding that that really isn't necessary. He also got the optional overhead LED floodlight tower and the optional hydraulic oil cooler there. And this 28 Pro X is standard. That's just a standard configuration. And then this 28C here, this customer opted to get the optional sorting table extension and the optional hydraulic oil cooler. Now, everything on this trailer behind me is available. So this stuff will all be at the Boonville, New York show. If you're interested in one of these pieces, call Ben in sales and he will get you all squared away with one of these. You can pick it up from the show. We have a nominal freight charge for these units going to the show. It's $300. Where if you would ship one single unit to New York like this, you'd probably be looking at $900 or $1,000. So you save a bunch of freight by picking it up at the show. And with that, I'm going to show you guys what we are bringing. Might be easier for me to walk on the trailer as long as I can get around everything. This big bad boy back here, 35 SHO Box Wedge diesel. We are bringing this with a 4x4 box wedge. And we will also have the bolt-on traditional wedge that comes with the machine. The 2 4-way here. And we have something new to try out on this machine. Stay tuned to the end of the video, I'll show you that. Then we've got a gray 17 VS, standard configuration. This machine's ready to go. We used this at the Wisconsin Farm Tech Days last week as a demo. It did awesome, got a lot of attention. We ended up selling a 24-inch stroke version of this at that show. Here we've got the popular 28 Pro X. Standard configuration, comes with the 4-way hydraulic wedge, auto cycle, got hydraulic log lift. You can put that log lift on either side. And one of the newest machines configurations that we ended up doing was this 17 XS. And we got the decals for it. So this is basically using all of the powertrain from a 22 RS and then using the 17 RS cylinder on it. And what that's netting us is under a 5-second cycle time forward and back. And this one we built with the log lift, so you can stage up that log lift with a bunch of rounds or a bunch of resplits. You can get this one with auto cycle or log lift, but not both. If you want to have both, you got to move into something like the 28 Pro or the 28 Pro X. And at the front of this trailer, we have a 28 Pro with optional auto cycle valve. And this one is that RAL 6003 olive green. Looks really sharp. So that's everything on this trailer. We also have a couple firewood bagging stations, an express wrapper, and we're bringing some fire rings. Let's go see what's on the other truck. So this trailer, we've got some different stuff. We've got the Japa 405 with the diesel engine on it. So we've got a couple extra wedges here. We've got the Japa 422 rack to pair with that Japa 405. And here we've got the new Wolfe Ridge Wolfe Pack hydraulic power pack. And behind that, you recognize the Kindlet from Fuelwood. One of the things that we were able to get from Fuelwood is now a tractor hydraulic powered version of the Kindlets. So we had the PTO version and we also have electric versions of those. Now we have hydraulic version, which means we wanted to see if we could power that with the Wolfe Pack, and success. Nick worked last week to get a flow control valve put on this power pack. We actually had to dial things down a little bit to power that Kinlet, and it's a really good match. We still have to try this with the Kinlet Pro, but it works excellent with the Kinlet 200. And one of the coolest things about this is if you wanted to run that Kinlet in a building, in a shop, some guys run them in a shipping container, just put a hole in the wall for the hoses and put the Wolfe Pack outside. And I told you I would show you something for that diesel box wedge machine at the end of this video. All right, I'm about to hit the road now. It's gonna be a long drive, get up to New York. So Thursday is show setup, and then the show goes Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And if you guys want any of these machines that are available right now, like I said, please give Ben a call in the office or send us an email. If you want pricing, tech specs, photos, videos, dealer locator, event schedule, and more, please check out our website, www.wolfridgemfg.com. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, thank you for the support. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next at Wolfe Ridge, and we'll see you in Boonville.